Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iAcquire Cliff Notes Tuesday. I am Jay Li. So chapter 17 is about finding your content assets. So when we dig into content marketing and also workflow strategy, you just realize that you don't have enough brand stories to tell. But no company has a shortage of raw materials of marketing. The thing is, you don't have enough storytelling formats of content marketing materials. So here's what we can do. Visual content audit. Now first, gather all the materials you can get, like some marketing materials, whatever, PDFs, case studies, white papers, presentations, everything. And then gather your executives into one room and then ask them to discuss about all these materials, which are good, which are bad, which you can still keep. And then after doing this visual content audit, you will have some results of the content, and you have a clearer idea of what the content is like in this company. Then you can do the content audit. Usually there are a couple parts: unique ID, document type, and also the date and the type, the page titles, meta descriptions, also the notes. Notes is whatever you have for this page, for this content itself. Like, is it updated? Is it related to the branding style? Is it good in calls to action? Anything like that. Also include a URL into this document as well. So after doing this content audit, you should take the content audit to the next level, which by next level we mean the analytics. In Google Analytics, you will see the page views of different content. Then you will see which piece of content is more popular, which one is less popular. And also you will compare mobile vs desktop. People consume different content on desktop and mobile, so you will figure out which content is more consumable in desktop and which one is more popular in mobile. And then you should figure out what are the top content types. So like PDFs or PowerPoint presentation or videos, different types, and focusing on those, getting more page views, getting more clicks and links. And then after content audit, we should do the content analysis. By content analysis, we mean you should do your content audit every 6 months or even a quarter. So, because by doing this, you will know, if your content is updated, if your content there are some issues with this. So also, is there any bad link, any missing meta descriptions, or weak of calls to actions, issues like this. So by doing content analysis, you figure out, you have so many issues, and then you can fix them, and then you generate more opportunities for your content. So what are the measurements? How should we base the analysis on? Here are the qualities of the standards of the content qualities. So usefulness and relevancy, clarity and accuracy, completeness, influence and engagement, findability, which is SEO, branding consistency, also intended audience, and the consistency with the business priorities. All right, so that's all for chapter 17. So let's go to chapter 18. So we may know that the executives, C-levels, they don't like writing, but most of them, they like talking. So if that is the case, then we can interview them, or record the events, pictures, mix and match, things like this. And also we can encourage them to transform the messages to us of the content. For example, we can tell them to write it out, just give them half an hour to type on their thoughts. They can also do storyboard. They can write whatever sentences, phrases on the sticky notes, anything. Even they can mapping out their thoughts or draw something. So by doing this, you gather more and more information. And also, we can encourage them to use free writing. So free writing is like a free form of writing. You can write whatever, and just no limit. And this is a staple of creative writing in the world. So here are the rules of free writing. So set yourself a time limit and keep hand moving until time's up. So just write. And also don't pay attention to grammar mistakes or spelling, etc. And also sometimes when you write, you may notice, oh, your writing is off topic, but that's fine. Just keep writing, keep your hand moving. And then when the time's up, you evaluate what you have written, and you figure out, oh, you actually generate really a lot of ideas. So also we should help the employees to become aware of the content opportunities. So what does that mean? Okay, for example, those customer service representatives or sales representatives, they sometimes get some emails from the customers, like complaining about some products or asking questions about the service, things like this. Then these are really good content for FAQs, or can be expanded to blog post ideas. So if all the salespeople and the customer service representatives, they're aware of the content opportunities there, then they can point the marketing department into the right direction about what content to create. So this is a very valuable asset as well. So that's all for the chapter 18. That's all for today's Cliff Notes. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.